Hello, thank you for watching this video. If you find that it was helpful, please give it a like or thumbs up. What I'd like to show you today is a Minnie Winnie. This is a Winnebago. It's a 27Q and it's a 2017, so barely used. It's got only 24,000 miles on it. Let's look at this storage. This is a recessed, very deep storage unit here, so you could put a lot of gear in the back here. It does have a slide topper on the slide, a lot of extra features in here, so let's look inside. As you can see here, we have a beautiful open area, really comfortable bed, loft area. Nice over here, you can put this up so you have extra space here, so when you get in and out. You have a backup camera there, really nice. Great seating area. You could easily fit 4 people here. So, and then you have your kitchen right here. Really nice window here, double sink. You have cabinets above, microwave, stovetop, oven. You've got pantry right here, and look at this bathroom. This is cute. Everything that you need in there. Glass shower, very nice. I'm really excited about this floor plan. This is not too big, but you've got everything that you need. And so plus you've got privacy back here. This will partition across here. Walk around queen size bed. You've got cabinets all around. It's a really great unit. So if you would like to come and look at this unit, give me a call. My name is Mary, 406-850-4590.